Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Siddhnath Nishandar. Today we're going to see the amazing interesting facts about the cars that you never knew. Those viewers are first time visiting my channel, please subscribe my channel. We first starts with the VIN, the vehicle identification number. And find your VIN. If you see this figure, the four common places to find your vehicle identification number. Okay, if you see the picture, this shows the four areas where you can easily find the VIN. Front of the engine block, driver's side dash, front end of the frame, the driver's side door jamb. Okay, now what is my VIN? VIN is the unique 17-digit numbers. If you see from the left, the first digit indicates the country of manufacturer. Second digit indicates vehicle manufacturer. Third digit indicates the vehicle type. After that, if you see that 5 digits which indicates the vehicle brand, body style, model series, etc. After that, if you see the next digit, the security check number, model year, assembly plant, and the vehicle serial number. That is the vehicle identification number. If you think pillar in the car, okay, if you see this picture, if you clarify what is the role, now what is the role of pillar? Okay, that pillar is nothing but it provides the support to that roof. Okay, if you see these pillars, if it is more than 4-seater car, the pillar is going to increases like the D. The world first car accident happened in 1769 and the car is still preserved in the same state. If you see the picture, the car is preserved in the same position of the same state. The Rolls-Royce famous hood ornament is called the Spirit of Ecstasy. This is a very interesting fact. Only 18%, around 18% power generated from the fuel reach the wheels of car. Okay, if we see the out of 100% power developed inside the cylinder, out of that only 18% power is available at the rear wheel. Because if you see that number of factors, I just only focusing the few factors in short here. The power developed is lost to overcome the friction. Some of the power is lost to the via conduction, radiation, brake power, exhaust heat loss, coolant loss, lubrication loss, and the friction and the pumping. Like that some of the energies overcome to that factors. 18% of the cars in Albania are Mercedes. Just see 18% cars. Now where is the Albania? I purposefully shows your map which you can easily found where is the Albania. 14 is the number of cars Ferrari produces in one day. Just imagine, only 14. And as you compare to the other car manufacturers is around 8 to 10,000 cars per day. Ferrari just 14. Toyota is the world largest car manufacturer, produces 13,000 cars in one day. Okay, in previous slide we just see the 14 for Ferrari and we see the Toyota is around 13,000 cars per day. If you press a remote car key 256 times and the car is not in a range, the key will stop working. It's very interesting, but don't try. The Model T Ford is a very famous model in 1924. Why? If you see the 1924, the Ford had produced over 10 million model of the T models and more than half the cars in the world were Ford. The world's first automobile was developed by Carl Benz in 1885. The top speed of the motor car was 16 km per hour. It had a one-cylinder four-stroke engine installed horizontally on a specific designed chassis. It was known as the Benz Patent Motor Wagon. If you see the picture, the first world automobile. Did you know the meaning behind some of the famous car logos? If you see the picture, the Toyota, let's consider Toyota logo for example. The company's logo has three overlapping ovals. If you see, the symbol is a combination of three ovals. The inner two ovals form stylized T and steering wheel, and the outermost oval represents the world embracing Toyota. With the outer wheel, they indicate the shows the represent the world embracing Toyota. The next, the iconic three-pointed star of Mercedes-Benz is the representation of the company's dominance in three places: the sea, air, and land. Is very interesting fact that stars, the iconic three-pointed stars, which stands for sea, air, and land. Please subscribe my channel, those not subscribing. Thank you.